Meet the all-new iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple's most advanced smartphone yet. Fire. Right from the first look, the premium titanium frame and ultra-slim bezels give it a bold, futuristic feel. It's not just beautiful, it's built to be strong and lightweight. The massive Super Retina XDR display with 120Hz ProMotion delivers incredibly smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and deeper blacks. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or browsing social media, everything feels immersive and ultra-responsive. Under the hood, Apple's next-generation A-series chip pushes performance to another level. Gaming feels console-like, multitasking is effortless, and even heavy apps run smoothly without lag. High voltage. Now, let's talk about the upgraded Pro camera system. You get sharper zoom, improved night photography, and stunning cinematic 4K video recording. Low-light shots look brighter and more detailed than ever before. Camera with flash. Battery life has also been optimized for all-day usage, with smarter power efficiency powered by iOS AI features. With power, performance, and premium design combined, the iPhone 17 Pro Max might just be the ultimate flagship of the year. What do you think? Is this your next smartphone? Let me know in the comments, and follow for more tech reviews.